Hello people, this is Christian and welcome back to my computer and Fusion 360. And yes, let's have a small last weekend of January challenge. This is, I think most people call this a Swiss block. It looks like a Swiss cheese, a cube with a lot of holes in. This is a very traditional machinist challenge to make this in a machine, to make all these holes and not break the material inside because it gets very thin. You can make this ultra thin and stuff like that. Anyway, this is a parametric model, of course. We can change parameters. I can easily change this to 5 holes, which is in the drawing, or I can do it 3. Of course, if I do higher numbers, it gets quite tough on Fusion to do all the recalculation as normal with all patterns. So this is cut through on all sides. Can easily change the number of holes, and let's have a look at the dimensions. Here is the drawing. So the basic idea is 5 by 5 holes. It's a cube, so all sides are the same. The diameter of the holes is 6.5 millimeters. The clearance from side of the hole to the edge of the cube is 2 millimeter, and the clearance in between the holes are 1 millimeter. So with that said, you should be able to make a parametric model of this. And of course, as usually, one easy way to compare our workflows to start with, before we tell everybody how we do it, is share the volume you get. You should get a volume of this body. If we right-click the body and select properties, you get a volume in cubic millimeters. If you run everything in millimeters, well, you can compare. If people get the same number, we have most probably done it correctly. So with that said, let's back to our model. Okay. Let's look at it. With that said, have a good weekend, and I will post my workflow on Sunday. Take care, see you around, and goodbye.